Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? Lucia Michel of the University of Chile observed that alkaline soils contain an insoluble form of iron that blueberry plants cannot absorb, thus inhibiting blueberry growth. If these plants were grown in alkaline soil alongside grasses that aid in iron solubilization, blank. Michael was determined to find out. So, in this text, we're seeing that it says that the alkaline soils that contain insoluble form of iron prevent blueberry growth. But the question is, if the plants were grown along alkaline soil with the grasses that aid in iron solubilization, could the blueberries thrive? And then they're determined to find out. So, looking at the answer choices, we can see that A says, could the blueberries thrive, period. This is incorrect because the second sentence here is seeming to be a question, therefore a question mark is required at the end. But because A uses a period instead of a question mark, we can eliminate A. B. The blueberries could thrive, period. This is incorrect because this wouldn't make sense in the context of the text, because the second sentence appears to be a question. So, first of all, the phrase must be in a question type manner, like, could the blueberries thrive, instead of the blueberries could thrive, and there must be a question mark here, instead of a period. And this makes sense with the sentence after that, which says, Michel was determined to find out, which highlights that this person wanted to find out, or to find the answer to this question. But because B uses a period and improper phrasing, it is incorrect. C. The blueberries could thrive, question mark. This is incorrect because although it does use a question mark, the phrasing doesn't make it a question-like manner, because instead it should say, could the blueberries thrive, question mark, which should highlight a proper question. But in this case, the phrasing is incorrect and causes the question to be sounding grammatically incorrect. D. Could the blueberries thrive? Question mark. This is the correct answer because this uses proper wording to highlight the question, and the question mark at the end highlights that this whole sentence is a question, which fits in with the context of the text. Therefore, the correct answer is D.